Hi guys, how are you today? This is Risa. I'm just coming to have a little, the lighting is horrible there. Having a little chit chat with you. I hope all things are well with you and you're all feeling great. Hope this lighting is a little better. And so, I am here just to have a little chat. And I want to talk to you. I know it's the holiday season and we are all catering to friends and family and, family bringing friends over, also their friends. And you really don't know them. You don't know their style of eating and what they eat. So I just want to say, find out before they come how they eat, what they eat, what they like, what they don't like, what they're allergic to. Because I had an incident at my house today. My daughters decided that they're going to invite some friends they have that are from England, these English kids. And so they came over and, of course, Mom made food, me. I made lasagna, I made some chicken, I made some garlic bread and salad and stuff like that. Made a cake. And I decided that I am not going to use a lot of spices in the food or anything like that because I don't know them. But anyway, on the chicken, I decided to put just a little bit of, that Walmart sauce, that Walmart hot sauce. The one at my house, we drink that for juice. That's how light that is. We drink that literally. And so I put just a little bit on the chicken, baked it up, came out lovely. And the kids came over, served it, and I noticed that when they were eating, I looked at one, and she was literally turning purple. Purple. I mean, her whole face was purple. Me, of course, I start panicking because I'm thinking, allergy. I don't know what she's allergic to. And it may be in the food. So I'm like, oh my God, this child gonna die on me today. I looked, the other one started coughing. So yes, I know then it was definitely an allergic reaction. So I'm like, what is the matter? Tell me what's the matter. She's like, oh, it's so hot. I'm like, what? You mean like heat? Temperature wise? She's like, no, it's so spicy. I'm like, spicy? What's spicy? She's like, the chicken. I'm like, no. I'm like, oh my God, really? She's like, yes. So of course I had to run to the refrigerator, get some yogurt and milk for these kids because they were literally dying. I couldn't believe it. The chicken had literally no spice taste. I don't know where the spice came from for them because the little Walmart hot sauce that I use had no taste, basically. What if if I'd followed my husband and put just a little bit of the Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet sauce on it, these kids would have been on the floor, dead, passed out, I don't know. But I did not. I said, you know what? I don't know how they eat, so I'm not going to put it on. He's like, just a little bit won't hurt them. I'm like, well, it would have hurt them badly. So I had to take the chicken from them and say, okay, babies, don't eat the chicken. Have just the lasagna. I mean, they say all they eat at home is just a little bit of black pepper, and that's too spicy. So when you're catering for people you don't know, you better find out. Or you're going to have something like this on your hand. That happened to me. It was crazy at the table. I thought the kids were dying. But anyway, this is Risa Mac, and I'm just letting you know what's going on. That's all. So, thank you for watching, and you go be great. Have yourself a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.